Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Duppy nurse running ward. Full story. In 2016, a young lady went into preterm labor and was admitted to the Cornwall Regional Hospital. She was admitted the Friday evening and would stay until the Monday. The Sunday night, she had an experience that really shook her up, and she is not one to be frightened easily. It was about after 12 the Sunday night. The young lady and some other females were chatting to pass the time. After a while, everybody got sleepy and fell asleep one by one. Her bed was at the front of the ward, with the walkway leading past her. She was dozing off when she heard the brisk walking of a nurse passing her bed. It was so loud it woke her up, and she was looking around to see what was happening and why the nurse would be running ward that time of the night. She looked, and all now she don't see the person. All she could hear was the quick footsteps leading away from the beds. Goosebumps full her up instantly, and she called to the lady who was beside her to wake up. The young lady couldn't sleep the rest of the morning to how she was frightened. She told the nurse about what happened the night before, and she said yes, it is a regular thing for nurses who passed away to still run ward in the spirit world.
Like and follow for more. Subscribe to Jamaican True Stories YouTube. Link in bio.